Hello everyone! Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome back. And today is my second day for my Go Live. At today, we are gonna talk about one of the most common questions na nare-receive ko sa mga inquiries from a lot of people. So once again, for those who are new here, my name is Orvi and I'm a registered nurse, a mom, and a digital business owner. So, let's get back to the question, is this business really for me? Will this business really or actually work for me? So I just want to be clear, this business is not everyone, but let me explain, okay? Walang masama dun, that's fine. But this business is really not for everyone. Bakit? Okay, iisa-isahin ko ha. But my goal here is not actually to convince you. I am here to help and guide you to decide honestly if this business is for you and if it aligns where you are right now. So let me just tell you if this business may work for you. Number one, if you are a really hardworking person but you feel that your time is still capped. Ano ba ibig sabihin nun? If you are a mom, a nurse, a healthcare professional, or any parent na trabaho ng trabaho, pero still you feel that you're kulang sa oras, you're still limited with your time, then this one may be an option for you. So this business, hindi kailangan mag-resign ka agad or you quit your job right away. This is just another option. Okay? Number two, this business may be for you if you are open to learning and not expecting an instant result. So this is not a get-rich-quick thing. Hindi siya overnight result. Sabi ko nga dun sa previous video ko, it takes a lot of consistency, hard work, prayers, and dedication. So if you are someone na really na willing ka to upskill, then this may align. Okay? Number three, you really value flexibility and presence. If you're a family person and your family matters to you most, katulad ko, and this is my number one reason, then this one could be for you. Because it will really give you the flexibility, the time, freedom, and the presence to be with your family most of the time. Kasi pwede mo siyang gawin kahit saan. And you can be there sa life, sa milestones nilang mga anak mo, kung ano man yung mga plans, yung trips, travels. So this one will work. And also, number four, if you are willing to start small. So sabi ko nga, hindi siya overnight success. You don't have to know everything agad-agad. You don't have to know all the answers. Like me, I am learning as I go. So this business, you are provided with all the tools na pwede mong gamitin to be successful. So you have all the trainings, the courses, the mentorship, coaching, and an amazing supportive community para maging successful sa business na to. Okay? So, on the other hand, if this business may not work for you, if I'm just gonna be really honest here, if you are someone who is expecting an instant result or you are not open to learning or taking any action, or someone na you're expecting someone to do this work for you, then this business may not really work for you or may not be for you. And walang masama dun. Okay? Hindi yun mali. It's just that, ibig sabihin, this is not the right season for you at the moment. Okay? So if you are still with me, watching and listening, and parang napapaisip ka na, parang ako yan. Parang nandyan ako sa point na yan. Parang kailangan ko rin ng another option. Then I tell you, you have to listen to your feeling. Kasi I was once in your shoes, napapaisip din ako, and sabi ko, parang kailangan ko na din because of my family, because of my son. So, I took a leap of faith, I put on my brave soul, at sabi ko, sige, try natin. Why not, di ba? Hindi natin malalaman if this business will work for me or for you if you will not try it, if you will not jump and make that brave move. So, ayun. Sabi ko nga, you don't have to know all the answers. You just have to be clear. You just have to be intentional with this business. Kasi we will help you all the way. So, sabi ko nga ulit kanina, if napapaisip ka, you have to trust your gut feeling. Okay? So once again, thank you so much for being here. If you like hearing or if you are interested in my journey, please follow and like my page. And please let me know where you're watching from now. And if you have any questions, let me know in my inbox or in the comment so that we can talk about it on my next Go Live. Okay? So ngayon, pass muna kami. Maghahatid muna ako ng anak ko at ako ay may work din. So once again, this is Orvi, your nurse CEO. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye!